Hello, my name is Andre and this is the final video documentation for eEVA data generation and user results analysis version 2.0 senior project. This is going to be the shortcomings and wish list video. So in version 2.0, all of the information from the old version, which is the text-based DCU, has been added to the newest version, which means that all of the information that eEVA needs for now is already in the database, and you just have to make use of it and create additional functionality with that information, which means that in the future versions you will only have to focus on adding functionality to the application instead of getting any extra information, because everything that you need you already have it. So, as you probably know by now, there's only one account, and that is the administrator account. I believe the project owner, Christine Lisetti, she wants users to have accounts. So each user may have a different account, and in order for that to happen, you will have to do something with the database to be able to store the information of each user. If you come to the counseling view and you click My Progress, you will see something like this. So the whole purpose of eEVA is that the counselors will be asking questions and giving surveys to the users, and then as the users progress, their results get stored in the database. So that's a very important functionality that needs to be added to eEVA. One more thing, you have, for example, a counselor choice here. This is the in-session selection menu. Right now, the way this should work is that when you load here, it will reload the page with whichever counselor you selected. In the future, they want to dynamically change the Unity scene without having to reload the whole page, because then the user will lose progress of whatever they were doing here. So that's another thing. But there are many things that you can probably add to the application, but since right now all of the information that is needed is already in the database, most of the things that you will probably have to do, or that eEVA needs, have to do with the database, and that is pulling information from the database and displaying it to the user, or creating user accounts and then being able to save user preferences and whatever information the user inputs. So that will be probably the most important functionality that needs to be added, and something that is really missing from this system. Yeah, that will be the wish list. And yeah, the shortcomings, I think in my administrator guide video I mentioned a few issues that the application has with respect to the state machine, that it doesn't show the tree view, and it also needs work with I believe they want to add different voices for different counselors, and what else? You have there are a few issues with the voice speech due to certificates and other things, but I don't think that's something that we have to actually fix ourselves. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. In essence, in the future projects for eEVA, most of the things that you will need to do will have to do with the database. So that's the whole lesson here. Alright, so have a good day and hope you like the video.